Beautiful day, guys. Just found out what's wrong with my truck. All right, it was overheating yesterday, and we're driving. The fan kept coming on and was going to almost full gauge. It was so hot. It came to my senses. I said, when I turn the heater on, it smells like burnt. Always. It's been doing that for months. So I think, okay, the thermostat's not opening up when it gets hot. And then I said no. And then I kept it at that. And then when I drove home, I said, what the hell? Maybe there's no water in the resin here. This thing here was empty, and it smelled like burnt. And I said, oh, this was running on no antifreeze. Oh man. And you know that other issue I had with the misfire, and I thought rain was getting into the truck? It wasn't that. Once I put water in this today, 2 gallons, and I'm gonna flush it out, put some antifreeze in it soon. Then after I seen water leak here, it smelled like smoke burning. And then I checked over here and see that, what do you call it, heater hose there, the bottom one, where it's been wrapped before somehow. That was leaking right there, smoking like crazy. So my whole problem was that rat hose was leaking. I was losing coolant, was hitting the spark plugs there, getting it all wet, and misfiring my truck. That makes sense. That hose there, heater hose, is leaking into my spark plugs. That's what caused the misfire. It's caused the overheating, the water coming down there. I thought all the time that water was from my air conditioning, but someone's told me you're leaking a lot of water, so it wasn't all that water from the AC. So that's the issue. That's all my problems. Heater hose needs replacement. Wow. Put everything together now. So now I turn the heat on. When I filled it water, it doesn't smell as much, but it's dripping out of that hose now. So I'm going to replace that hose today. Alright guys, stay tuned for the fun adventures.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Okay, I just figured out it's not my hose leaking. Hose is fine. What happens with these GMC and Chevy trucks is that quick disconnect there. You guys can see it. Hang on. Maybe I'll show you this one here. There's a quick connect in there where the hose goes onto. It's this piece here. That's it right there. Just snaps in that pipe. Then your hose goes on that. What happens after time? It starts wearing out, rusting out, cracking here, and this piece starts to leak. So that's the new piece there. Cost me 10 bucks. And first time I've ever done this, I YouTubed it. Got the hose off. Not easy. Tools can't fit in there. And there's this quick connect right there. Somehow that has to come off without breaking it, the inside. So I gotta get that off. Slide this one in, the new one. Hope it's the right size. CarQuest, don't even know. They check the computer, they don't even know what size. I YouTubed it anyways. And this pushes in, locks in there, then your hose goes on. And that's gonna solve my problem if I can get that out. Get a better look at it. There it is there. I don't remember how they come out, but somehow we'll figure it out. What a mess. Had to take that off, the intake out, and I hope this works good. Alright, let's try it. Well, I just YouTubed it. There's a special tool that gets that off. Nice of the guys to tell me that. It's something like this, cut in half, goes over the pipe, and you push it behind it, and it releases it. So now I'm trying to make one of a pop bottle or something. Something on the pipe from behind it has to go inside of it, and it releases it. So I'm going to see if this works. If not, I have to find something because I can't drive now. Man. Special tool, plastic little piece that goes behind it that unlocks it. It's going to be interesting. I have to find something. I'm going to try this, but I got to cut it in half to get it over the pipe. Oh, man. Okay, I made one out of a cap. And so these edges here have to be pushed inside, and this is going to release it. So this is a bottle cap, water bottle cap. We're going to see if that works, hopefully. Okay, that idea is scrapped. That did not work. I'm going to try a plastic card Niagara Falls Casino. I'm gonna cut a strip of that, wrap it around it, and try to push it in. Alright, let's try this idea. Okay, this might work. If I can make a perfect circle, get that in there, nice and round, and push it out, and that should just release the disconnect. Hopefully. Please let it work. Well, I'm back. $40 later, and $15 for this piece of shit. You need this, nothing works, so I had to go get this. Damn CarQuest idiots don't even tell you need. Oh, by the way, you need a special plastic piece to get that off. So 15 bucks later, and $40 taxi. Bastards, crazy. This cost me more than the connector itself. But at least I'll get it off now, get it fixed, and get it over with. First time I took a cab in, geez, 10 years? Well, that's what I need right there. If you guys ever do this job, you need these plastic pieces to get that connector off. Now let's get it done over with and forget about it and go have a beer afterwards. Alright. And that's all it is. This thread goes behind the pipe. This goes in, slides this way, and it pushes the clamps out. Crazy shit. Now let's get this in behind there like this, and it should come right out. I don't think I can hold this camera, guys, but I'll try. Oh my god. Oh. That's what happens when you own vehicles. Now we get this in here now. Hope I don't break it. Can barely get my hand in there. Holy Jesus. How do you get this in here? Over the pipe somehow. Like this. Could be the wrong size, who knows? Let's fuse it. I think this is the wrong size. Oh no, there we go. Now you just pull out. What's going on here? She's in. I thought it's the wrong size. I don't get it. Not pulling out. Oh, this is the wrong one. Nope. Found the wrong size. Gotta take it out again. Hang on. Jesus. Hallelujah. It came off. Man. So it came off with the green color. Yeah, so this sits like this. This piece here slides in behind it. Like that. And then it'll release itself because it'll push down on the little metal things there, 4 of them. But she's out. Oh man. Let's get the new one on now. Okay guys, this is it. I thought it'd be easier to connect the hose on first instead of reaching in there with pliers. So the hose is connected. Now all we do is push her on in and drive the beast. Oh, get up on this grill here. Now we just push it in. It should just click in. And we got a new connector. I can get my hand in here. It's a difficult kind of a job. I don't know if I got the right hose here. Yeah, she's in there. Push her in. Don't give me a problem. Come on. How come she's not going in? Oh no. What is going on here now? Gotta snap in. There is like a little ring stuck on the pipe here. So it has to be pushed over that ring. Must be. Please get in there. I've had enough, of course. Okay, let me see if you can snap her in. Nice and straight. Push her in. Okay. She clicked. She clicked in. I don't know if you guys heard that. But she clicked right over that little notch. So I know she clicked in. That's it. Done. Oh my God, she's done. Holy jeez, man. It's done. Get this tinfoil out of here. Damn, we found there was a leak from the rain all this time. But she's on. Let's put her back together. I don't know why the hose is crinked like that. Or is this underneath this maybe? Don't want to touch these too much. Everything here is like deteriorating. Running some more problems. Eventually I'm gonna have a problem there. I don't want to talk about it. Hoping to ruin the other line. That's it. It's on. Let's put everything else back together. No more water leaks. And this is what else I noticed. I take the vent here to get some more space, and this whole thing, look at it. It's not even bolted. It was just hanging there. Look. Not even bolted down. I don't know what holds it or what snapped. The truck is falling apart, for God's sakes.